Hello and welcome to all maintenance professional, in India and world. During COVID-19 lockdown, we have discussed with many maintenance professional and teams working in MRO. We found one common issue. And the issue is, that all of them have got demotivated many times in their career span and have seriously thought of, moving out of maintenance profession. They got demotivated not because of maintenance profession, everyone enjoyed working in maintenance as this is endless journey of learning and great service to industry and nation. Then question is, why they felt low or demotivated, and thought maintenance as thankless job, and even seriously thought of moving out of maintenance profession. So we undertook detailed survey of maintenance professional and team to find, why they got demotivated, and why many time they felt maintenance as, thankless job. In this survey we found 8 major reasons of, maintenance personnel and team to get demotivated. Reason 1. Recognition of the efforts or appreciation is not at par with the sales or production teams. Reason 2. Bad, poor or biased treatment from their customers like production supervisors and others. Reason 3. Non-availability of equipment for maintenance and demand for availability. Reason 4. Poor support from other departments like stores, procurement etc. Reason 5. Non-approval or delayed approvals of funds for investing in the equipment as the way invest in other activities. Reason 6. Unwanted stress created during maintenance and equipment failures. Reason 7. Non-availability of spares due to inventory and other investment issues. Reason 8. No or less access to the newer technology in the market. Then question arises, how to prevent maintenance personnel getting demotivated? The answer we got was, by making maintenance from thankless job to thankful job. Next question arises, how? After doing lots of brainstorming we finally got our answer to this how? And our answer is, Engimaint. Welcome to Engimaint. With Engimaint.com we want to build CONMATE, Confederation of Maintenance Teams, of maintenance professionals, working across industries, India and global, and help our fellow maintenance professional in performing to best of his capability. Every member of Engimaint.com will be designated at CONMATE. With Engimaint, our vision: to become world's most ethical, trusted, reliable, collaborating and synergized confederation of maintenance teams and professional. And our mission: to develop easy-to-use, highly informative, self-updating directory of maintenance professionals so as to enable them to effectively collaborate among themselves to gain knowledge, develop new skills and improve their lifestyle. Together with you, we will develop Engimaint a solution to all the above issue and much more. Here is what you will get in Engimaint.com. Digital resume. One-to-one discussion with expert. Technical discussion board. Job opening board in MRO. Self-branding as expert in MRO. Spare and service inquiry board. Knowledge sharing by expert. Online technical seminar. And much more to come. So if you're working in MRO, at any level, then join Engimaint, and help in our vision to make maintenance a thankful and highly respected profession. Membership of Engimaint is free for lifetime, so join now to learn and excel in life. See you there.